In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Final Round on laptop. So this is actually a bit simple. What you need to do is you can see we have Final Round ready to go. Now to install it, you simply need to head over to these three lines on top right side, and then you can see we have various options in here. So once you head over to your app section, you can see you have this option over here, and it is saying install this site as an app. So you can simply click on that option and you will have the application installed and onto your desktop. So you can see it is asking about installing. You can see this site is basically installed as an application, and it will open in its own window and safely integrate with Windows features. So yeah, that is actually how you can install it as an app. And if you want to do it, you can easily follow this process and do it. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.